Hey guys, welcome
Hi.
back to my channel. So I'm Payel and today I'm going to do the sister tag. She's Jewel, she's my sister.
And she is Payel, my sister.
Today we are going to talk about 3 similarities and dissimilarities between us. So I know a lot of you guys don't know about me, but we are going to share the similarities and dissimilarities among us. If you want to see that, then keep on watching. So first we are going to talk about the similarities. So the first similarity is
The first similarity is we both have big eyes.
yeah. So our father has very big eyes and mother has a little bit of smaller eyes. So both of us have got the big eyes from our father. So both of us has big eyes, as you can see.
And the second similarity she will tell.
Yeah, the second similarity is both of us have done engineering in computer science, and yeah, both of us are doing software engineering job. I have left my job, but I have been working for as a software engineer. She is still now a computer engineer. And the third similarity is
We both have wavy same kind of hair.
yes, she recently got cut her hair. She used to have very long hair like me, but we have thin and wavy hair.
Next, we will talk about the dissimilarities. So, tell the first one.
So both we have different skin tone and different height also. Not height is not extremely different, but yeah, body structure is different and we have totally different skin tone. I have medium skin tone and she has quite lighter skin tone. So we have quite different skin tones.
And the second dissimilarity is I am very much talkative and she is quiet.
She's like tap 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 tap.
And she is like,
Yeah. So the third dissimilarity is I'm not a singer. I can't sing, but she's a singer. She sings so nicely. Can you please sing for us?
no thanks.
Yeah, she can sing nicely. I can't sing, so this is the dissimilarity we have. Big one. Like even while childhood, both of us has tried to sing. I think both of us practiced singing, starting singing, but I could not continue. She continued. I think how long she will have continued?
7 years.
Yeah, she has practiced singing for 7 years. Now also anytime she can sing. Do you want to sing song?
No.
Okay, maybe for later videos we are keeping she is going to sing a song. That's all for today's video. I have also did a makeover on her. This makeover I have done for her. If you want to know how I have created this makeover for her, then wait for tomorrow's video. That is going to be uploaded in tomorrow's video. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. See, you have to give it thumbs up because both of our sisters are here. So give it a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel.
And love yourself.
Thank you so much for watching this video. We'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye.